We all have to do our share.
I don't think everyone in this house is pulling their weight with the household chores. I do all the cooking and all the cleaning. Do you think that's fair? No, but I keep my room tidy. Your room might be tidy, but your stuff is spread out all over the living room. Okay, I'll make sure I keep my things in my room. And we all have to do our share of the dusting and hoovering.
Dialogue 1. I don't think everyone's pitching in with the housework around here. I handle all the cooking and cleaning. Does that seem right to you?
Not really, but I keep my room neat.
Your room might be tidy, but your stuff is all over the living room.
Fine, I'll make sure to keep my things in my room from now on.
And we all need to chip in with the dusting and vacuuming. Dialogue 2.
Seems like not everyone's pulling their weight with the chores in this house. I'm doing all the meal prep and tidying up. Is that fair in your opinion?
No, but I maintain my room well.
Your room may be in order, but your belongings are scattered throughout the living area.
All right, I'll ensure my stuff stays in my room.
And we all have to pitch in with cleaning the dust and running the vacuum.
Dialogue 3.
I feel like some people aren't doing their part with the housework here. I'm handling all the cooking and cleaning. Do you think that's balanced?
Not really, but I keep my space organized.
Your space might be organized, but your things are strewn across the living room.
Okay, I'll make sure to keep my belongings in my room.
And we all need to take turns with dusting and vacuuming.